Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Pure Biology, and today I come with another video that is related to the Hardy-Weinberg. And Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium I have already explained in my previous video, so you just check out that one. Here I will try to explain about the calculation of the frequencies in multiple alleles. Okay, so here I have taken one example, that is blood group, human blood group. Okay. So, how the calculation of the how the frequency calculation is calculated, I have explained properly in my previous video. So you just check out, and here I will try to the explain about the multiple allele, and how here the frequencies of Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium related problem sums that can be calculated. Okay, so let's continue that here the three alleles have taken A1, A2, A3, okay, and they remain at locus in dominance hierarchy, like that A1 is greater than A2, and then last one is the A3. So A3 is the smallest and A1 is the greater. And in the multiple allele calculation, you have to memorize the actual formula. That is, if there are three alleles, so you have to calculate small p in such a way. That means 2 into A1 A1 plus A1 A2 plus A1 A3 by 2 into total number of individuals. In the second case, Q, that means 2 into A2 A2. This is same, A1 A1, here I have taken, and here A2 A2. But you can see that these also same, A1 A2, that means multiplication. Okay, there is a multiplication sign, A1 A2 and A1 A3, A1 A2, A1 A3 by 2 into total number of individuals. In the third case, you can see that here you have to write A1 A3 and A2 A3. Okay, and if you properly check, you can see that A1 A2 that comes 2 times, A1 A3 that comes 2 times. Okay, and A2 A3 this also comes in 2 times. Okay, so you just memorize this in that way, that 2 into p square, 2 into q square and 2 into r square. But these numbers must be remain 2 times. Okay. So after calculating this way, we will get that p plus q plus r square equals to whole square equals to p square plus q square plus r square equals to 2pq plus 2pr and 2qr, and the value after calculation this, that will be obviously 1. Clear? So here the example I have taken the human blood group IA, IB and I, that is O. Clear? Not small I, you can say that O. So here the frequencies are 0.7, 0.2 and 0.1. This is small p, this is small q and this is small r. Clear? So I have written this in the tabular form, like that blood type A, B, AB, O. So its genotype will come. A means IA is possible, and II, small I or O, this also possible. So how much possibilities are there? We have to add these possibilities. Okay. So here IA, there is a chance to come IA and IA smaller. So I have to add this. Okay. Sorry, you just ignore the sound. Okay. And in case of B, that means IB is possible and IB small I is possible. So you have to calculate IB plus IB small I. And in case of AB, that means IB. It is only possibility. Okay, IB and IA, this is only possibility. And in case of O, there is only possibility that 2 small I. Okay. So if you can write this in the genotypic form, then the calculation will be very easy towards you. Okay. So after just identifying or predicting this genotype, now you can see that how the frequencies come. IA value is small p. So IA for small p and B for small q and small I for smaller. So here IA, that means p square. So I have to write p square. And IA small I. That means here you have to write 2PR. That means this is the P, this is the R. But here in the formation 2 is there. That means you have to write 2PR. Clear? IB means Q square. And IB small I means Q and R. So we just have written here QR. But 2QR we have to write because in the formula we have got that 2QR. In case of IB, there is a chance of coming PQ. So we have to write PQ. But in the formula we know that 2PQ is there. So we have to write 2PQ. And the last one, small I means R square. Okay. Now we just calculate the values. P square, that means 0.7 square plus 2 into 2 into 0.7 into R means 0.1. So value is 0.63. In the next step, Q square means 0.2 square plus 2 into Q means 0.2 into 0.1. So answer is 0.08. In the next one, 2PQ. Here 2 into P value 0.7 and Q value is 0.2. So answer is 0.28. Clear? And the last one, R square, that means 0.1 square. So value comes 0.01. Clear? Okay, I was checking the values after calculating. Okay, so you now add the all values. Okay, so here we will try to add. So 8, 8, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 120. 2 is carrying. So 6 and 2 means 8 and 2, 10. Okay, so value comes 1. Clear? That means P plus Q plus R whole square equals to 1. So P plus Q plus R equals to 1. That means Harding-Weinberg equilibrium is established here. Clear? So this is the actual calculation of multiple allele, and in the next part, I will try to explain about the inbreeding process. Okay. Okay. So I said that I will explain inbreeding, but inbreeding is a large topic. Okay. So it's not completed in this part. So I have to complete that inbreeding topic in the next video. Okay, here I will try to explain about the polyploidy. You all know what is polyploidy, where the organisms that have more than 2 sets of chromosomes, so these are known as the polyploidy. So suppose here the two alleles are capital A, small a, and the frequencies small p and small q. So according to Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium that said the polyploidy organisms, they also follow this equilibrium. That means small p plus small q whole square equals to p square plus 2pq plus q square equals to 1. Okay. So here the polyploidy organism I have taken that small p plus small q whole to the power n. So you can put the value anything, just not 2. Okay, not you can put the p plus small small q whole square. Rather than 2, you can put anything. You can put 4, you can put 5, anything. Okay, so here I just put here 4. That means p plus small q whole to the power n. So n value I have taken 4. Clear? So small p plus small q whole to the power 4. So just I break in a simple way that small p plus small q whole square and whole square. 4 just break in by that way. Now you can see that p plus q, small p plus q whole square is there. So you can write the formula of the whole square. But after that you can see this is also have a whole square. Okay. So you just follow the formula a plus b plus c whole square. That means a plus b plus c whole square. In that way you will get these values. So according to a plus b plus c whole square, what is the value? That a square plus b square plus c square, that means p square plus 2p q square plus q square. Okay, and then 2ab. Okay, I have written this first. A plus b plus c whole square means a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc and 2ca. Okay, just putting the values in such a way. So you just take it a, take it this b and take it as c. So in that way, just same type of thing I just elaborated this one or extended this one in that pattern or in this formula. So here the numbers which is equal to this, that is this one and this one. Okay, so I just have added this one and this one. So I will get this value 6p square q square. Okay, so this is the last value, p4 plus 6p square q square plus q4 plus 4pq small q obviously plus 4 small p small q. All p and q those are small in letter, okay, not capital. Now you can write the genotype and the frequencies. So genotype is which one? This is the p4. P4 means 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 4a. A into A into A into A. This is the P4. Next one is what? 4PQQ. So how you can get the 4 small PQQ? By multiplying PQ means, okay, A is P and B is Q. So PQ means triple A and small q, this is the small a. Then small p square and q square. So double A and double small a, double capital A and double small a. In next one PQ, P and Q. So P is 1, that means 1 capital A. Q power is 3, that means triple small a. And the last one is the Q4, that means 4 times small. So in that way you can calculate the polyploidy frequencies. Okay. So I will try to explain the inbreeding in my next video. So obviously you continue this with this channel, and for getting all the notifications, just after subscribing this channel you just hit the bell icon for all notifications. Okay, thank you.